such cockroach shows that systematic position when we observe cockroach shows that jointed limbs, and due to which it is the animal. It is animal. The kingdom of earth cockroach is Animalia. And phylum, that is, it is the, when we observe the cockroach at that time, it shows that jointed limbs, jointed appendages, limb appendages, and due to which it is included under the phylum Arthropoda. And again we observe microscopic at that time, it shows that 3 pairs of limbs and 2 pairs of wings, and due to which it is includes under the class, that is the insects. And genus is the genus of cockroach is Periplaneta. And the species is Americana, because it is discovered from America, USA. It is the systematic position of cockroach. Morphological structures. Morphology. The morphology of cockroach, when observed, at that time it shows that various types of characters. That is the morphological characters. Morphologically, cockroach body is divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. The head contains, when we observe microscopic head, at that time it shows that a pair of antennae. A pair of antennae. And a pair of compound eyes and mouth parts. 4 5 6 7 8 2 forewing, hind wing, thorax, antenna, compound eye, abdomen, cerci, etc. The morphologically, when we observe the cockroach at that time, body is divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. So head contains a pair of sensory antennae, and which gives the sensation of smellings. as well as they gives the ideas about the vibration of earth and waves of the air, as well as head contains a pair of compound eyes, and each compound eyes is made up of numbers of ommatidia, and each ommatidium is like the single eye, and they gives the compound eyes are useful for to mosaic image. Near that is the mouth parts. When we observe head microscopic, at that time my head contains numbers of mouth parts, that is labium, maxilla, maxillary pulps, maxillary pulp, mandibles, maxilla, and labrum, as well as hypopharynx. That is the hypopharynx, means tongue. These parts are present in the form of mouth parts in the cockroach. That is the labium. Labium is nothing but upper lip. It protect the mouth. And that is the mandibles. Mandibles, these are chitinous plates. They show that the ciliate margin, and these ciliate margins are useful for cutting and crushing of the food. These are useful for cutting and crushing of the foods, while there are a pair of a maxilla, and maxilla is nothing but maxilla is nothing but accessory organs, that is the useful for to cleaning or to, it is useful for to maxillaries are the accessory jaws, and it is useful for accessory mouth parts. Then the labi, that is the labium. Labium is nothing but lower lip, and which protect the mouth from lower side. And labrum is nothing but upper lip, and it protect the mouth from upper side. It is shield shaped structure. Next, that is the thorax. Thorax is divided into mainly three parts. Thorax is divided into mainly three parts, that is prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. Thorax gives three pairs of limbs. Limbs arises ventrally in the thoracic region. Each segment of thorax gives rise one pair of limbs, and each limb is with coxa, trochanters, as well as tarsus, tibia, etc. or radius. And the limbs are useful for walking because it is fast runner. It present in the dark places and it runs fast. It shows that the cursorial types of adaptation. Because it runs away from light in the dark places. Because it is the nocturnal animals. Because it search their food in the nights and hidden under the objects during the day or light. Thorax contains two pairs of wings. That is the pair of forewings, and second is the pair of hind wings. Forewings are membranous, thick, and protective in nature, and it protects the hind wings. Hind wings are nothing but true wings. Forewings. Hind wings are nothing but true wings, and these are useful for flying. It is membranous, thin, and they originates from the thorax or thoracic region. Then abdomen is the thorax, and head is connected with narrow connection, that is the neck. Abdomen. Abdomen is the elongated portion and which is made up of mainly 11th segments. Out of these, 11th segment is fused with the 10th segments and only 10th segments are visible. And last segment shows that cerci, a pair of cerci, or single is nothing but circus. Dorsally, abdomen and thorax is covered with plates, nothing but chitinous plates. Dorsal side of the abdomen is covered with tergum. That is the tergum. Dorsally, each segment is covered with plate, nothing but tergum, and ventrally covered with plate known as sternum. And these two plates, that is the ventrally and dorsally, is connected with pleurons. It is nothing but abdomen of the cockroach, and generally such cockroach is made up of 3 to 5 centimeter in length and 1.5 to 2 centimeters in breadth. It is nothing but morphological structures of cockroach. And tongue. There is the tongue. Tongue is nothing but hypopharynx, and hypopharynx is muscular, movable, present in the mouth parts or present in the mouth cavity.